I bought the swivel for the passenger seat, and I have to get that console out, and I've already chickened out on that because it's can't even get started with it. So I'm planning on my mechanic said he'd take a look at it, see if he could do it. So next week we're gonna look at getting that chair turned around, and that'll be a big thing as well. All right, I'm gonna work on some electricity or some roughing in, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. I wanted to show you where I am on the van build. I haven't got a whole lot done here lately because it's been so cold and wet and rainy. But I do want to show you, I did get the console out, which is there. And I got the swivel chair in. Now, I didn't video it because I didn't do it. I had to hire somebody to do it because I couldn't figure it out. So check this out. Still a little tight. Alright, so my swivel chair is in. That's a big thing. That'll be great. They'll have a table here to pull out to do my work on when I am traveling. Edit my videos. Hopefully it will get smoother though. It's kind of, oh. And we took the console out so I can put my refrigerator there, which will be good. Today, I'm so excited. The Havelock wool has come. So I'm going to finish up the electric rough out, and then I'll open this up, which will probably explode into a big, gigantic pile. Start putting in the Havelock wool. So can't wait for that step. That will be exciting. All right, just want to let you know where I'm at. So today we got the back door shells off so I can insulate that. We've got the kill mat put in as much as I'm gonna do. And Dad's working on undoing these screws so we can pull that mat out from under there. So I'm trying to rough in the wiring and put in this plastic stuff around the corners that are going to rub. This is going to be a switch at the bed for charging, or even a bed lamp. I have the wires running here. This is going to be the main switches are going to be right here at the door, so when I first walk in I can turn on the lights or whatever. So I ran my first wires in. Those lights are going to go, and this is going to be the first wire, which will be something to do with the bed, whether it's a fan or whether it's a plug-in to charge a battery, whatever. Charge the computer battery. We're trying to take out going to take off this, if we can find the right thing to take it off with, and then we're going to take off these to get the floor mat out of the way. So this video was a hodgepodge of just working on different things, getting odd jobs done, and starting projects that we haven't finished yet. Other than getting the swivel seat done, we finished that. Stay tuned for the next video. Tomorrow we're starting to build the frame for the solar panels, gonna install the solar panels. I think the maxi fan will be easier than putting that window in because it's just the 14 by 14 square, and it is cutting it on the roof. Not exactly a flat surface, but it'll be an easier surface to work with. So stay tuned for those. Ask me any questions and comments, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations, I'm all ears. Would love to hear it. This is all new to me. I'm doing it as best I can, so appreciate all the advice you want to give. I'll be looking for it in the comments. Thank you, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Have a good one.